now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks, 1 minute. That's all I need for this shoe because everybody knows it and everybody knows it is fire. We got the Cactus Jack Force, Travis Scott, Jordan brand. They really did their thing on this. With the buttery blue, light blue, suede with the splattered paint on the black. God, I just love this shoe. And the black and red and blue accents on it just make it go crazy. But yeah, it's a crazy shoe. And the beauty of reselling, a couple weeks ago, sold them for $600. Now sold these for like $300. So price is going down, but that's all we need, man.